ding-a-ling. We're rocking out to En Vogue. And I got a bonus. Got the Moon feature. Now, I started out with a $60 ticket, so I've had a couple of line hits, and now I've got the Moon feature on nickels. $1.25 bet. Let's get those diamond multipliers. Here we go. Nothing. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Oh, keep going, diamonds. All right, we're on the board. Come on, baby. I want times 16, times 2, times 4, times 8, times 16. If you get 4 diamonds on a line. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Oh, no. 2 more spins. We got 10 bucks. Go! Those hearts. Oh, we didn't need them. We do get some times 8, so that's okay, I guess. Boy, make these diamonds and not hearts. Alright, it's not that great. $36, last spin. Diamond, diamond, diamond! We did get 5 of a kind of the candies. Alright, well this turned out okay. $100? $100 and 95 cents on $1.25. Wow. Hello, Heartthrob. Alright, maybe that is gonna get us going here. I'll be back. Matt Bailey places slots. Alright, got the hold and spin, and I've upgraded to dimes. $2.50 bet. So let's see what we can land here. Major 736, minor 500. Here we go. Law won. I fought the law and the law won. Come on, hearts. I fought Heartthrob and I won. Come on, heart. Oh, he made a liar out of me. Only 7 hearts. Boo. Well, still it's adding on to my win total, $55. All right. 219. I started with 60. All right, let's keep it going, Heartthrob. I'm gonna fight Heartthrob a little longer. Hopefully I'll be back with a bonus. I fought Heartthrob and I won. I got 4 moons for a bonus trigger. All right, here we go. Get those diamonds. More. Oh, nothing. 3 hearts. No. Oh, you will come back. Well, there's a little dinky win. All right, we did get $37.50 on the trigger pay. We're on dimes. Uh-oh, 2 more spins. I need the diamonds. Diamonds? No diamonds. Last spin. Oh, nothing. Oh, we got $37.50 in the bonus trigger and like $3.50 in the bonus. So, well, back up above 200, up to 218. I'll be back. Hopefully with more winning. Gotta do better. We gotta improve on that. Stay tuned. Okay, I came back to Heartthrob after cashing out $150 on that previous round, and tried a couple other games, and those didn't pan out. So I came back and got a bonus with a fresh $100 bill. Here we go on Heartthrob. Get those multipliers. $3 so far. Come on, multipliers. Oh, these didn't connect with anything. Oh, 2 more spins. Last one. Hey, we got a little action there. $24. Hey, it fueled me up a little bit. Let's see if it's gonna give me some other bonuses here. Stay tuned. All right. Right around $100 where I started, I got another bonus. This time it's the hold and spin. Nickels, here we go. Give me that minor for $250, the major for $739. Here we go. Everybody's looking for something. Cranking the 80s music today. I love it. Come on, heart. Ooh, if they played Heart while I was playing Heartthrob, wouldn't that be hilarious? How do I get you alone? Okay, last spin, Heartthrob. Give me some hearts. Save me, Heart. Save me. Oh, not even the Eurythmics could save me. That's another win. Okay. $32.50. Thank you. Now if I can just catch a big win on a larger bet. But we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. More Heartthrob coming up. Sweet dreams are made of these, and it came true for me. I switched to dimes after it took that $30 profit back on nickels, and got a nice little feature here on dimes. There's $37.50 right there. Let's get some more money. The 7 C's. Come on, hearts. Oh no. Come on. Last spin, I need a heart. I need a heart badly. Come on. Heart. Oh. Did I not get any extra hearts? I don't think I did. All right. Thank you, Heartthrob. $72.50. All right. The ticket's up to $167.80. All right, let's see if I get another one. Stay tuned. More Heartthrob. Lightning Link. Downstairs at the Ameristar, main deck. And this is where most of the Lightning Link games are. And I just landed 4 moons on dimes, $2.50 bet. So starting out with $37.50. Can I get all the diamonds? Here we go. Come on, diamonds. Come on, baby. No. Get those hearts out there. Oh, rats. Where are my diamonds in the middle? Oh, don't do this. Well, yeah, I had a 4 symbol trigger upstairs and it didn't pay either. Two more spins. Nope, last one. Same thing, different day. Another sort of $5 win or less on a 4 symbol trigger. That's terrible. All right, well, we'll see if I'm back to show you something else on Heartthrob. All right, well, I had to battle. It took me down to basically $50, but I got another free spin bonus. So. Come on, pay better this time. Get those diamonds. No, get that down a notch. Diamond, 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 diamond. Yes! We got the dubs twice with a 16 times multiplier. That's better. And we've got the 10s with a 16 times multiplier twice. That is awesome. And we got the candy for a couple of 8, or just one 8 times multiplier. That is amazing. Look at it go. These are dimes. That's over $250. How much are the doves? This is a big thing. $240 twice. It's over $500. What an incredible spin on Heartthrob. We still have 4 more spins to go. I've been alternating bets between $2.50 and $5. Unfortunately, it gave me the bonus on the $2.50, or else we'd be looking at a jackpot hand pay right now. $666 so far. Come on, baby. Do that again. Do that again. Wow. Okay, $670. 2 more spins. Come on, give me those diamonds again. Oh, well, we got $10 on the 9s. Last spin coming up. Last spin. Come on, diamonds. Okay, nothing there, but wow, huge bonus on Heartthrob. $680. That is a super big win bonus, and I'm up to 730.67. Stay tuned. I might have another bonus on this games, and my cash out limit will be, I don't know, certainly 600, but I'll think about it at 650. All right, stay tuned. Hopefully more winning on Heartthrob. With Heartthrob, I swear to you, I'm alternating between $2.50 and $5. It just only wants to bonus on the $2.50, but hey, if I can win another 600, I will take it. Come on, get the diamonds again for me. Come on. Ooh, needed the dove or a diamond up there. But we're on the board in the first spin. Come on, diamonds. Oh, needed that one up there. Diamond, 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 diamond. Okay, $10. Go! Oh! I've yet to get the heart feature. Last spin. Now they're blocking me. Oh, thank you. Well, there's the other side of the coin. Only $11 on that bonus, so I don't know. I will definitely set my cap at 600. I will definitely not go below that because I don't know. I don't like that bonus, but still some time to capture another one. Stay tuned. Okay, I got it. I got it on the $5 bet. Free spin bonus. Can we get those diamonds again? Let's do it again, baby. Come on, diamonds. Oh, okay. $20. Needed a diamond right there. Come on, baby. 16 times multiplier. That was amazing earlier. Let's get it again. Come on, diamonds. No. $5, but there they are. Oh, we needed one there, but that's still a nice hit. Oh my gosh. Oh, if we had a dove there instead. Whoop. And there was the diamond right there. That would have really put it over the top. But still, nice win. 8 times queens twice, 8 times tens twice. And 8 times the present one time. All right. Come on, we've still got 3 spins. Come back, diamonds. $5 bet bonus on Heartthrob. Still counting up. Wake me up before you go. Wish we'd had 5 of a kind. Alright, 3 more spins. 112 on that one. Diamonds, diamond, diamond! Oh, we got the candy times 8. We've got lots of 9s. But that candy times 8 is going to be a nice win. Got the queens in there times 8. $160. Nice. Wow, this is a nice bonus. Actually have the queens twice, times 8. La 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 la. Still going up. Finally got those moons on the $5 bets. Can we land the 16 times multiplier to really put this bonus over the top? 2 more spins. There's diamonds. Oh, needed that one up a notch. Still, it's a bit of a win, and we're going over 400. Wow, my ticket's over $1,000. We have 1 more spin. Here it is. Oh, the hearts got in there, but okay. $422.80 on this one, and we're at 1,042 altogether. All right, I will be back with hopefully more Heartthrob winning. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd Love to have you as part of the crew here. And please thumbs up the video. Leave a comment. What do you think? Heartthrob? Is it one of your favorites? Or should I be playing a different Lightning Link? Let me know. All right, but I'll return, hopefully with another win.